Forest fires seem to rear their ugly heads every year. We'll meet a family who were mid-renovation, dreams taking shape. Then the Southern California inferno came knocking. In a heartbeat, their forever home was destroyed. We'll take you inside their story. Now, a weapon against the flames. We met up with Paul Espinosa, who will break down how lava rock is being used to innovate a cutting-edge product.
ROCKWOOL was founded in 1937 in Hedehusene, Denmark, originally producing stone wool insulation. But since that time, we've expanded into producing a host of other stone wool solutions and have become a global company with operations in North America, Europe, Asia, and other regions. We currently operate 4 manufacturing facilities in North America, 2 in Canada, and 2 in the United States, including the facility we're in today here in West Virginia. A 5th facility in Wallula, Washington, and will help us to better serve the Western United States. That facility will feature large-scale electric melting technology, which is consistent with our sustainability commitments. ROCKWOOL stone wool insulation is made from naturally abundant volcanic rock, and as a result, it's non-combustible and fire-resistant. It has excellent thermal and acoustic performance, it's water repellent, and it's exceptionally durable and will last decades without losing its effectiveness. Natural stones that are the basis for our products are quarried and transported to our facilities. They're checked for quality and blended in precise proportions. This ensures consistency and high performance in the finished stone wool fibers. Once ready, the mix is fed into a furnace at approximately 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, where it's melted and transformed into various ROCKWOOL insulation products for residential, commercial, roofing, and OEM applications. After the stones are melted, the spinning process rapidly transforms the molten rock into fine hair-like fibers, much like how a cotton candy machine spins sugar. The spinning step is crucial because it creates the unique fiber structure that gives our products their exceptional thermal, acoustic, and fire-resistant properties. Once the molten rock is cooled, the stone wool is collected on a conveyor, layered to the desired thickness, then cured in an oven to set its shape and density. After curing, the material is precisely cut into bats or boards, allowing us to tailor products for different building and industrial applications. Finally, the products are packaged, palletized, and prepared for shipment. We strive to conserve natural resources across every aspect of our production process. Some of our initiatives include capturing and treating stormwater, recycling processed water, and reintroducing internal waste wool back into production. As wildfires become more prevalent across North America, we're doing our part to help safeguard people, property, and communities. Because our products are made from stone, they're able to withstand temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit without releasing toxic smoke or contributing to flame spread. This helps to safeguard lives, protect property, and preserve the environment.
Now, a story of loss and resilience. Let's meet a California family whose home was destroyed by wildfires. But amid the ashes, they discovered a lifeline.
My name's Daniel.
My name's Mercedes. We are from Altadena, California. And this is a story of how the wildfires changed our lives forever. We have 2 daughters, a 4-year-old and an 8-year-old, and we purchased this house when I was 8 months pregnant with our second daughter. Once we had our second daughter, we decided to renovate.
In the process of building and designing, we dove into explored more about building science because we were interested in creating a healthier home that would be very durable and last a lifetime. It was important to us that we protected against mold or water damage and other things, and that led us to products like ROCKWOOL Insulation. Before this fire, there was a pretty terrible windstorm. I was actually installing ROCKWOOL Insulation for one section of the roof, and I was able to complete it by the time the power went out. I think by the time we realized that our home was probably in the path of the fire was when it had probably already burned to the ground. As I was driving up, it was pretty clear that home after home was burned to the ground, so I hadn't had any expectation that ours might still be standing. The first thing that did stick out to me once we got out of the car and surveyed everything was seeing this pile of ROCKWOOL insulation that was in our driveway that seemed like it was unaffected by the fires, but was still surprising that even the pallets that they were sitting on, the plastic they were wrapped in, was completely gone.
Going through this tragic experience and realizing that the ROCKWOOL insulation was still sitting in our driveway, still in the middle of our build, it gives us so much confidence. We made the right choice during renovation to choose ROCKWOOL insulation. And now that we're rebuilding, we're so confident that ROCKWOOL insulation is what we want to have inside and around our homes. It's such a powerful product for the whole building system, choosing non-combustible materials and designing homes in ways that they can resist fires and be healthy for generations.